Is a regular ball better than a 3D printed ball? Let's find out. First off, bounce test. See which one bounces higher. That looks to be the real ping pong. Let's do a looks test. Standard ping pong ball has letters on the front and looks very normal. 3D printed 3D ball has a full triangle pattern, and on the base of where it was printed, it doesn't leave that much of a mark. 3D printed look. First up, ping pong ball. Not much to say, very normal. Next up, 3D printed. Felt way better than the normal ball. 3D printed wins.